Hello, I'm in a 2010 Hyundai Santa Fe, and today I'm going to show you how you would jump start. So first open the hood, and then on the driver's side here you should find your battery. This will be your positive side here, and then your negative here. And you can always double click on the battery too. There'll be a negative sign and a positive sign under this. Next, I double check for any looseness in these and any corrosion built up. If there is, you can take a good brush or rag to clean it up and then tighten these up. And at that point, then take your jump box or your jumper cables and then run directly from the metal here, your clamp to positive, and then your negative clamp here. And then if you run into another vehicle, make sure your positive leads directly to another positive and your negative directly to another negative. You don't want to crisscross them because even a few seconds of that backwards could cause damage to your computer systems, fuses, things like that. But after a few minutes of them connected to another vehicle, hopefully you got your vehicle started. If you're still having issues, worst case you can replace this battery, and it's pretty accessible. You just disconnect these, lift this old battery out, and make sure you disconnect it down here, and then just pop in your new battery in, and then retighten everything up, and then you should be good to go. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.